Round 107, color B. We join new yarn with standing front post single crochet around any cluster. I decided to take the side, and here is the cluster I selected randomly, so front post single crochet around it. And now 428 times we will be making the easy combination. In every chain 2 space of a previous round, we will make 5 stitches. Half double crochet, 3 double crochet, and one more half double crochet. Front post single crochet around next cluster. And this is the repetition we will make 428 times. Let's make one more together, and then you will continue to the end of the round all by yourselves. So, in chain 2 space, 5 stitches, half double crochet and 3 double crochet, 4 stitches, and the last one, half double crochet in the same chain 2 space, and front post single crochet around cluster, next cluster. So we have 2 repetitions out of 428, while your last elements will be here in this chain 2 space, 5 stitches, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, half double crochet, and then slip stitch in standing front post single crochet. And then you can fasten off and secure the ends. Next round we'll make of another color. Round 108, color C. We join new yarn with back post single crochet, and now let's find where. We need to find the last cluster of 2 double crochet on the side, here it is, and then the next cluster is first cluster of 2 treble crochet, and we need to count and find the 7th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is our 7th cluster of 2 treble crochet and the 8th cluster of 2 treble crochet, and between them we have 5 stitches made in chain 2 space. And we need to make our standing back post single crochet in second double crochet of this group. Second double crochet is the 3rd stitch out of 5 we made in this chain 2 space. So around it, back post single crochet. So our standing stitch is made in stitches of chain 2 space between the 7th and the 8th cluster of 2 treble crochet. It is our standing stitch of the round, and at the same time the last one, and it is not included in repetitions. And now we begin our first big repeat out of 4, and we started with a small repeat. 6 times we need to make the following combination. Chain 3, we skip next 5 stitches, and in the next one, in the 6th one, back post single crochet. First repeat out of 6. Let's continue. Chain 3, we skip next 5 stitches, and around next one, the 6th one, back post single crochet. I have 2 repeats out of 6, and let's continue. 3 repeats, 4, 5, and 6. And as you may see, we are always making our back post single crochet around the second double crochet of the group. And if you are using color markers to separate groups of stitches, you can place a yellow marker in this last back post single crochet of our six repeat. And then 101 times we will repeat on the side the following repetition. Chain 2, we skip next 5 stitches, and around next one, the 6th one, back post single crochet. So as you can see, in the center of our corner we had chain 3 spaces, and on the side we have chain 2 spaces. And I just made our first repeat out of 101 on the side. So one more time, chain 2, we skip next 5 stitches, and around next one, the 6th one, back post single crochet. So 2 repeats out of 101 are done, and please continue. And here I have all 101 repetitions made. We stopped in second double crochet between 7th and the 8th cluster of 2 treble crochet in the corner, and then we immediately start the second big repeat that begins with a repetition when we have chain 3 spaces 6 times between back post single crochet, and then one more time 101 repetitions on the side with chain 2 spaces in between, and so on. I'm pretty sure you will have absolutely no trouble to finish this round, and when you will reach the end, your last element will be chain 2 and slip stitch in standing back post single crochet. Please do not fasten off. Next round, the last round of our blanket 109, we will make of the same color. Round 109, same color. Chain 1, that doesn't count as a stitch. Front post single crochet around the same stitch. This is our standing stitch of the round, and at the same time the last one, and it is not included in repetitions. And now we begin our first big repeat out of 4, and 6 times we are making the following combination: 3 single crochet in chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, and front post single crochet around next stitch. And this is our first repeat out of 6. Let's continue. 3 single crochet in chain 3 space, and front post single crochet around next stitch. 2 repeats out of 6, and please continue. Here I have all them done, and then we start 101 repetitions on the side. In next chain 2 space, 2 single crochet, and front post single crochet around next stitch, and the first repeat is done. As you can see, in this round we are making front post single crochet around every stitch, and if we have chain 2 space we are making 2 single crochet, and if we have chain 3 space we are making 3 single crochet. So I'm absolutely sure you will reach the end of the round without any trouble, and I will meet you there. And finally, the last stitch of the round, slip stitch in standing front post single crochet, is done. We finished round 109 and the blanket. You can fasten off and secure the ends. My congratulations to all of you. I was very happy to make this nice and beautiful blanket together. And I am absolutely sure this is not the last project we made together. So see you soon and easy stitches to everyone.